You can expect a lot from the 2008 Toyota Prius. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Toyota paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: an outside temperature display, high-intensity discharge headlights, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.